Welcome to Wins News. I'm your friend and host Amit Roy. Today we want to discuss our journey in stock market, how to perfect ourselves, few stocks which I liked, and overall Indian economy and how it's going to work in coming years, and how that is going to affect our stock business. Before that, please like me and share me and make comments on my channel. You know, stock market is a journey. Stock market is not a thing for 1 or 2 days. I always say that when you try to do business with us, not with me, I don't do business. In us means, we are working together. So you must learn about the business you want to enter into. For example, you know, know about stocks, some stocks are perennial. They will keep on doing well. Like, I am giving you a few example, like consumer goods, consumer durables. We have need for those kind of stocks forever. So imagine we need to brush our teeth, drink tea, etc., etc. So think so many companies those are working on that. Besides, you don't need to do intricately about those companies because those companies are usually proven, and they have proven their metal. They have given you constant dividend for 30, 40 years, so you know about them. Just for example, you must be knowing few simple things. Just as I'm giving talking about a stock called Hindustan Liver, how many brands they have. I have surprised you do not care about few names like Taj Mahal Tea, Brew, Clinic Plus, Close Up, Cornetto, Domax, LA14, LA18, Glow and Handsome, Glow and Lovely, Hammam, Diabetic Plus, Horlicks, Mother's Plus. You know, we can name Wheel. These are things we can keep on naming. Look how many brands they have. Plus, Hindustan Liver is giving demerging its business. Is ice cream business. Its business is Quality Walls company. That is soon going to be listed, and you are getting 1:1 bonus, 1:1 ratio, not bonus, 1:1 ratio. So imagine you have 100 shares, you get another 100, and that stock is not going to list under 200 rupees, 170 rupees. It's a quality. Imagine the price itself is 70, 80 rupees, the intrinsic value, and they will add the premium. So it cannot be less than 170, 180. Plus it will start moving. In the world, his parent company Unilever is as brought an IPO, Magnum ice cream. So they are diversifying this ice cream business, and in India with ice cream they are doing frozen vegetables, ready to eat some food. So I think it's a very good, you know, bet, and it's being given to you on 5th of January. So imagine how important it will be for you. Secondly, goes I like one stock, and I want to share with you, and this it has made a comeback. Is Godrej Consumer. I like that stock very very much, and it has tremendous potential. In fact, Goldman Sachs has prescribed the stocks, so one should keep an eye on those stocks. Number three, Indian economy. Goldman Sachs also says it is going to be uh, in the sweet spot. They have upgraded the Indian economy, so that is also very good thing. In general, Indian economy is very doing very well. Though there are bad patches few years ago, and last year it has some capex problem. So, but things are coming into green. So I am wearing green, and I think before Christmas, my wild guess is Trump is giving a good signal that they might reduce American taxes. Maybe this is my haunt. So as long America is on our side, America is not doing badly, we are not in problem. Beside India is a domestic kind of market. It's not uh, so overtly dependent yet on foreign markets, and India is doing well in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, these kind of sectors. So these sectors are the perennial kind of sectors that is giving you profit. Now coming to daily trading, I want to tell you one thing. In stock market, what is success? Success is surviving. If you survive 30 years, 20 years, definitely you will make lots of money. That's the golden rule. Survive. Don't get out of the market. That's the golden rule. And now how you mitigate risk, that's also one thing. A lot of people do daily trading. Trading is some sort of poker playing, you see. Only is a gambling. Daily trading is a gambling. I want to tell you, there's no other way I have to describe in other way. You don't do that. It's an addictive kind of thing. Why you do that? The way when you make some profit, imagine in 30 days or 20 days in a month, you make profit average in, let's say, in 10 days, 15 days, or even in 18 days. Plus, you make marginal profit. Then you have to add brokerage, then you have to add government taxes, so your profit comes down. Then what's the point? What's the point with small amount of money trying, unless you do big kind of thing, and that's extremely dangerous. That's no science. I want to tell him this sticks, these are this kind of indications. I don't care. These are weathercocks, and I don't. My cock is better than this cock. So you don't care about this kind of bullshit. Don't keep on buying good stocks and keep on investing and keep on holding. Holding retention is the power. Now, telling all these things, I want to tell you something. Look, future option is extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. Refrain from doing this kind of thing. Refrain from doing that. I want to tell you, go safe, ride safe, and be happy. Whichever you buy the stock, if you can sleep well, you are happy and you will definitely make money. You buy good stock. Look, if you buy Tata stock, you buy Mahindra stock, this kind of stocks, how you can feel unsafe? You cannot feel unsafe. Your deposit, your investment will definitely be safe. Yeah, business is a cycle. All the time you not make profit. As expected, it will bounce back 300 times, 400 times. But you'll be in profit. Secondly, one major thing traders make mistake. Also, I'm talking about swing traders. They want to buy cheap stocks. Cheap stocks, do not go up that way and you make profit. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. You don't make profit like that. If you ever do kind of trading, you buy expensive stock. I'm giving you a few names. I'm not recommending that, but in general, these stocks tend to go much higher in price in one day. So imagine if you can get that kind of momentum stocks, you may make some profit. But penny stocks and all, these are wasted. People buying Vodafone, PC Dwellers. I bought PC Dwellers. I sold it in profit, little profit, 1 rupee profit. But I was not sleeping well. I didn't like it. Frankly speaking, something was pricking in me. What the mistake I made? But it has a potential. It has a potential. I didn't buy a stock not knowing anything, because Americans are having tariffs of jewelry goods, and besides the stock management has not done well. But it has some magic few months ago, a quarter ago, 2 quarter ago also. So it can do well. But in general, traders try to buy cheaper stock, penny stocks for daily trading. That's also very, very, I think, in my opinion, is not a very nice idea. Buy expensive stocks. One or two you buy, you make 200 rupees, 300 rupees profit. And maybe even then there are some taxation issue, brokerage issue, etc. Still you make some money. Anyway, this is a thing. And I want to mention one stock that has grabbed my attention. That is also giving bonuses. That is HDFC Mutual Fund or Asset Management Company, something like that. 1:1 bonus they're giving. And Kotak Finance, I think I have split. I don't know, but that's also coming into someone's reading. But he said HDFC is a very good bank, and if they're giving bonus now, it's around 5,000 rupees quoting. I think it's a very good stock. And if you cannot buy that, there are stocks in similar kind of trajectory. Nippon India Asset Management. You can buy that stock. We can buy that stock. I don't say you buy that stock. That will be a sin, my goodness. We can buy the stock. That's a good stock, I think. So, rule is you forget it for minimum 3 4 years. You forget it for 3 4 years. So I used to buy and sell asset management, Nippon Asset Management. I made some profit, but what's the fun? What's the prof? How much profit? If I kept it for a very long time, I think I'll make bigger profit in that stock. That's what I wanted to tell you. Do make a road plan. Make a road plan and stay invested and try to mitigate risk. If you have a game plan that this stock will reach 2,000 rupees, if it comes down a little bit to 5%, 10% in international shock like oil prices, and don't be afraid. Don't be, stay invested. And this is what I would do. I am not saying you sell out or you come out and then we re-enter. That's also a possibility, but it's very difficult. You don't know, you cannot time the market. So anyway, some good stocks you cannot come out and sell and come out buy. It's very difficult. Yes, that's the way market goes. It's a cycle, and you enjoy the cycle, enjoy the thrill, thank God, and think you're privileged that you have entered in the market and your life has become good because after entering the market. Thank you very much again. Please like me, share my channel. Best wishes.